Good afternoon to all. So I'm here with a small discussion topic, that is Burger Allen exercise. So this Burger Allen exercise, in the sense, it isn't mainly this exercise is done to improve the circulation in the lower extremities. So it's not a common exercise, but still in foreign countries outside the India, uh, most of the foreign countries will practice this type of exercise for the perfusion, that is for increase extremity perfusion. So we'll see here by in this picture you can see that how the patient lies. The patient lies like elevating the lower extremity to 45 to 90 degrees. So that is a way, it's a way of doing the Burger Allen exercise. So specific, as I told, it's a specific exercise intended to improve the circulation to the feet and legs. The lower extremities are elevated to a 45 to 90 degree angle and supported in this position until the skin blanches. Skin blanches in the sense when it appears dead white color. So if the patient is elevating to first we have to keep the patient relaxed, and after that we have to advise them, or have to extend or elevate the lower extremity to 45 to 90 degree and wait for a few minutes for blanching of feet, in the sense when the feet become white color, that's dead white appearance. The feet and the legs are then lowered below the level of the rest of the body until redness appears. That is, in the sense, care should be taken that there is no pressure against the back of the knee. Finally, the legs are placed flat on the bed for a few minutes. So the length of the time of each position varies with the patient tolerance and the speed with which the color change occurs. So usually the exercise are prescribed so that legs are elevated for 2 to 3 minutes, down 5 to 10 minutes, and then flat for bed for 10 minutes. So that is the time duration. So this is a simple exercise actually. For actually this topic really it wants to take a demo. Then only you can understand how it is. Actually it's a small exercise. If you're seeing a demo, but due to some issues we can't show demo, but I will upload one link that is showing the procedure, so you can watch that video by clicking that link, so you can understand more about this exercise. Actually this is a simple exercise, and you can, by easily seeing the procedure only, you can understand the exercise how it is doing. So the simple thing is, mainly this is done for lower extremity circulation, and mainly here the lying, first patient will allow be in supine position. After that we'll elevate to 45 to 90 degree the lower feet. After that we'll keep the patients in a sitting position, and we'll do some exercise like dorsiflexion, plantar flexions and all. After that again we'll make the patient in flat supine position for 5 to 10 minutes, and in this we'll see the color changes in each position from white to red to, means how this color changes occur. That in the sense, that is the example, no, that is the way the circulation happens. Next we'll see the uses. Uses in the sense mainly to promote the lower extremity perfusion, to promote wound healing process, to reduce peripheral neuropathy symptoms among DM patients. So these are the main uses. The foremost use of this Burger Allen exercise is mainly to improve the lower extremity circulation. Actually many studies and many research studies are there for this exercises. Mainly it is done for diabetes mellitus patients, where we all know, right, this main complication of DMS, one of the main complication is peripheral neuropathy. So in such cases we can go for, in starting cases we can go for this Burger Allen exercises. Next we'll see the procedure. So this exercise don't have much side effect, not much contraindications and all, but they can do unless contraindicated, in the sense the patient is not conscious, not oriented, and if the lower extremities are fully gangrened. In such cases we can't go for this exercise. The patient is stable and they are able to elevate everything, you will see the comfort of the patient, then only we'll go for this exercise. Procedure. See in this picture you can see, first we'll place a patient, or we'll elevate the legs of the patient to 45 to 90 degree. After that we'll place them to sit in a supine not supine, sitting position, and see that legs will go for 3 motions like plantar, dorsiflexions and all. After that again we'll make the patient to lie in a flat that like supine position, and we'll place a blanket over it. Blanket in the sense to keep the legs warm. For that we'll use blanket. So we'll see detailing on the procedure of this Burger-Allen exercise. So here ask the patient to lie on supine position. Elevate both the legs above the heart level at 45 to 90 degree for 2 to 3 minutes in a stool, or in some hospital we are keeping some board, Burger-Allen board is there, or we'll place some of pillows. So according to hospital policy we can follow this one. Then it does mainly help to reduce edema and improve lower extremity circulation, not for blanching of the feet. While elevating, you have to note it that you have to keep for 2 to 3 minutes elevation. After that, we have to see whether blanching of feet is happening or not. After 2 to 3 minutes, the legs have to be lowered down and need to be some inversion, eversion, plantar, dorsiflexion movement. So these movement has to be done after keeping the legs down, like in sitting position. As I shown this in figure, you can see like patient is in sitting position where their legs are moving like eversion, inversion, plantar flexions and all. So after all these movements, again the legs are placed normal position in the bed for few minutes. Then after this one, again we'll place the legs in a normal position for the few minutes. Then that is the thing. Then after that we'll make the patient to lie in a supine position and we'll place a blanket over it in order to warm the legs. So this Burger-Allen exercise is one of the interventions to stimulate the development of collateral circulation in the legs. The primary caretaker should focus on prevention by early recognition and prevention of peripheral artery diseases, those at increased risk. So this is a main peripheral artery diseases. In such cases we can go for this Burger-Allen exercise and all. Prevention of PAD. Okay. So we have some research study. I have taken one research study on it. So you will see effectiveness of Burger-Allen exercise on lower extremity perfusion and peripheral neuropathy symptom among patients with the diabetes mellitus. So not this one, many studies has been done with this exercise. So all the studies having a successful outcome. So here also the Burger-Allen exercise promote lower extremity perfusion while the wound healing process and reduce peripheral neuropathy symptoms and diabetes mellitus patient. So here the study has been, here the study mainly done for the efficiency of this Burger-Allen exercise on lower extremity perfusion and peripheral neuropathy among the patient with diabetes mellitus. So they have gone for quasi experimental study. They have selected DM patient at the age of 30 to 45. That is 50 patients they have selected purposely sampling, and they have done assessed the angle brachial indexes, everything, and they have demonstrated this Burger-Allen exercise to the participants for the consecutive days. Then the interventions were required 5 times per day for each patient, and the post test was conducted 5th day using the same tool. So after the conducting, the result was majority of the cases like in 75% where 60 to 69 age group and 98% had education till the primary school. So 62% had diabetes and 60 of them had history of peripheral artery diseases. 50% of the participants had mildly impaired perfusion during the pre-test, whereas abnormally neuropathy was seen in more than 70% cases with decreased post-test. So a significant difference in peripheral neuropathy and was seen after the implementation of BA. So post-tense in the sense as this result states that as we have given this exercise or interventional exercise to the participant, we can see a small changes in patients started with increasing the circulation. So that is the main study, supporting research study in the sense. So this is a small topic about Burger-Allen exercise. We can't go for much, it can't extend, or we don't have much thing to learn in this Burger-Allen exercise. Beyond that, you have to learn how to demo this exercise. Demo in the sense, along with this video or this class, I'll upload one link where we can see this demo class of this Burger-Allen exercise. So you can watch the video so that you can more clarify or clear on this topic. So that is about Burger-Allen exercise. It's a simple exercise. Actually, nothing is done. Main uses is it is nothing contraindicated. No contraindication is not for this exercise. But still, the patient is not anxious oriented but full gangrene in the lower extremity. Such thing we can't go for this exercise because no useful. Can only done to in the starting stages of any circulatory problem, so that we can improve by these type of exercises than we go for any medications. That is about Burger. So, we have seen our Burger-Allen exercises, where uses and detail on the procedures, and we have shown a small short research study. Not only this, many research studies are supporting for this exercises. So, always remember this exercise. Always think that here the lower extremities are elevated to 45 to 90 degree. Again, we are keeping the patients to be in the same position. Again, we will go for inversion, eversion, plantar flexions, everything. After that, we will make the patient to lie. So, everything we take. For the first movement, we will go for 2 to 3 minutes. Second for the 5, then 5 to 10 minutes. All these movements, we can see the color changes happening in the feet. So, that is the way we will identify the circulation process happening there. So, this is about Burger-Allen exercise. Thank you all. If you have any doubt, you can ask, or along with this video, I will have a link to watch the video. It is a 2 minutes video. It is an easy exercise. So, you can watch that so that you can understand, you can get an idea of this. Thank you.